let's simplify this logarithmic expression. So you can see that I've got a y here and I've got a y here. I'm going to go ahead and make them red so you can see this number right here is just going to be, that's just some value that I've got. So if I wanted to right now, I could just take 81 and turn that into 9 squared. So I could simplify that into 2 of log base 8 of, actually 81 could even be 3 to the 4th, right? So let me do that. Let me make it 3 to the 4th, just to get it in as low of terms as I can. So this would be 4 log base 8 of 3. I may or may not have wanted to do that once I get to the end here. And this right here, 16, is the same as, I'll do this in a yellowish color, this is the same as log base y of 2 to the 4th. So that's 4 log base y, of 2. So that's that one. And then this middle term right here, I'm just going to have to keep as it is, which is log base 3 of y. And let's see if I can combine these together now somehow. I could take all these numbers and just drag them out to the front. I'm just trying to think of how I can combine these two things together here. Well, remember, this means y to what power equals 2, and this means 3 to what power equals y. And thinking about this a little bit more, I realize, and this happens a lot, this was completely the wrong way to go about this problem, because I'm just making the problem more complicated. Remember, log problems are like puzzles, and sometimes when you're doing a puzzle you have to sort of start over, or the pieces don't fit together and you just kind of go backward a little bit. So now what I realize when I'm looking at this is I realize, oh, wait a minute, this would have been a lot easier if I rewrote each of these with the change of base formula. So this is log of 16 over log of y, and that means log base 10, times this is log of y over log of 3, and this is log of 81 over log of 8. I didn't even have to turn that last one in, but yeah, now you can see that the log y's cancel out. So I've got log 16 over log 3 times log 81 over log of 8. And now I can even simplify these more. Let me go ahead and change this. I'll change colors. Let me change this into a base 2. So this is going to be 2 and the 4 would come in front. And let me change this into base 2. That's going to be a 2 and a 3 would come in front. This is a base 3 and a 4 would come in front. So now I can cancel out the log base 2. Again, let me change colors. Let me cancel out the log base 2 with this log base 2 down here, the log base 3 with this log base 3 down here, and I just get 4 times 4 all over 3, which is 16/3. And that's your answer. So this whole thing just simplifies into 16/3.